How to fix DNS server not responding error in Windows 10 and Windows 11. If you are getting this error, then watch this video till the end because I am going to give you the best solution. So the first step is to restart your router and PC. Turning off Wi-Fi router sometimes or many times resolve this issue. Second step is to run Windows Network Troubleshooter. For this you need to go to the settings of your system. Open settings, click on update and security. Now click on troubleshoot from the left hand side. You can see additional troubleshooters are showing here. Just tap on this. At the top you can see internet connections are showing. Just tap on this and click on run the troubleshooter. So it will delete the problem and fix them automatically. You can click on this option, troubleshoot my connection to the internet. It will detect the problems now and it will resolve them automatically. So the next step is to open command prompt. In Windows search you can simply type cmd, right clear and click on run as administrator. So first command you need to run ipconfig /flushdns and run this command successfully. Now run ipconfig /release and press on enter. I will give you all this command in the window description as well, so make sure to check the description. Next command is ipconfig renew and press on enter. Lastly you need to type in ipconfig /flushdns again, press on enter. So the next command is netsh winsock reset. After running all these commands you need to move to the next tab. So you can change the DNS server. So go to the settings again, click on network and internet, click on Wi-Fi or Ethernet whichever you are using, click on change adapter options. Herein you need to right click on your Wi-Fi which you are using, click on properties. So here you need to click on this IP4, just double tap on this. This will open up. You need to click on use the following DNS. So here you can enter your DNS, whether you can use manual DNS like for Cloudflare or Google. So you can simply enter your preferred DNS should be 1111. Alternative DNS should be 1001 for Cloudflare. Otherwise you can use for Google DNS. So for the Google, its preferred DNS should be 8888 and alternative DNS should be 8844, and thus press on this OK option. So the next step is to disable VPN proxy, and you need to again go to the settings of your system. Go to the settings and then again click on network and internet here. And here you can see proxy is showing at the bottom and VPN is showing. So first of all, disable everything in VPN. Just tap on VPN first and disable or turn off everything, and then go to proxy, and herein also you need to turn off everything. You can see I have turned out everything. After that you need to restart DNS client server. For this you need to press Windows and R, and herein you need to type services.msc and click on OK. Herein you need to look for DNS client, press D, and you can see DNS client is showing here. Just tap on this, and or you can right click here from here over DNS client, and you can click on start or stop, or you can refresh it simply. And then next option is to reset network settings. So go to the settings again. So in setting, click on network and internet. Under advanced network settings you can see there is an option of network reset. You can scroll down at the bottom. You can see under advanced network setting there is an option of network reset. Just tap on this network reset and click on reset now and click on yes. So last option is to update or reinstall network adapter. For this you need to go to the device manager, open device manager. You need to click on network adapter here. You can see display adapter showing. You can see for me as of from Intel, right click here and click on update driver. Click on search manually for driver. Make sure you are connected to the internet for this. So my driver is up to date. So after that you need to restart your PC and check whether you are getting this issue or not. I hope this will definitely solve this error message, and in case you still face any problem you can mention it in the comment section and make sure to give reply. And if you find this video helpful, just hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for upcoming videos.